Okay, so let's go ahead and stay in Preferences. We'll go ahead and open it up. Go to our Audio tab. Here we are. Earlier we were talking about our audio input and output chooser windows. Below that we've got Channel Configuration. This allows us to set up our audio interface that we're using with Live 8 to accommodate more than a single or dual pair of audio outputs or inputs. So let's click on Input Configuration. And here you see I've got all kinds of ins and outs. I've got separate mono for 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Over on the right side, I've got stereo pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 11 and 12. Let's go ahead and close this for just a second. And you can see in the audio input device, I'm using tone port UX8, for example. My audio output is also hooked up to the tone port UX8. So everything is configured with a tone port. And if we go back to input configuration, you can see I can set this up for just input 1 mono and 2 mono, and also stereo. Or I could simply deselect that and go to 3, 4 stereo. That way I've got stereo inputs on 3 and 4, and then 1 and 2 selectively as mono for, say, a microphone input, something like that. So hit OK, and we're configured. Same holds true for the output configuration as well. If I want to have more than just my stereo outputs, I can select 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And maybe I also want to hook up separate mono 1 and 2 just to sort of single out some specific signals coming out of outputs 1 and 2. I simply select OK, and we're ready to go. And that's input and output configuration under the channel configuration and our audio tabs in the preferences.